Today we are taking the demo on Java. So what is the purpose of the Java? So what is the importance of the Java? So we are going to discuss about that. Okay, Java. So guys, I hope might be heard about that Java. So um, what is mean by Java? Why it is required? This Java might be. You have a lot of questions. Why I have to choose the Java? So these kind of things might be. You have the a lot of doubts at that. Okay, right? Please feel free. So Java is very easy. So might be. Hello. Yes. Guys, keep all of you in the mute because don't speak like wider because multiple peoples are there, so might be they are disturbing. Whatever you have, you can type in the chat. Okay, so I will uh, respond to your chat as well. Okay, right. So what is meant by Java? So what is the purpose of the Java? Why you required to learn the Java nowadays? So many questions are there in front of us, right? So Java basically, Java is nothing but a programming language. Programming language, right? Java is a programming language. What kind of programming language? It is a what kind of programming language? It is a object oriented programming language. So object oriented programming language. So what is the purpose of that? So why you require the Java? Prior to Java, how many technologies are there? Okay, I will tell you all those things. Okay, right. So just give me some time to understand Java. What is the significance of the Java? Why you require the Java? So these are all those things we can introduce all these points, and whatever you have the doubts also, I will clarify that. Okay. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Prasad. So I have 15 years of experience. So um, I am the OCGP certified. Okay, right. So Java is not a complicated language. Okay, just feel free. I will tell you. So what is meant by Java? What is the significance of that Java? Each and everything I will give. Okay, point by point, guys. Okay, right. So let me start. Let me start from the scratch. Okay, SUN microsystems. Microsystems. What is meant by what is meant by sun? What is abbreviation of the sun? Why you are discussing about the sun microsystem? Why not you are discussing about TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HSBC, something? Why you are not discussing about that? Because initially the Java came from the sun microsystem. Okay, so initially Java came from the sun microsystem. So that's why we are especially describing about sun microsystem only. Okay, na? Right. So here you have some abbreviation for sun. Okay, what is the abbreviation for sun? S stand for U stands for university. N stands for network. N stands for what? Network. So you know that M stands for micro. S stands for systems. So, sorry, instead of calling Stanford University Network Microsystems, simply you are calling as what? Sun Microsystem. Sun Microsystem is nothing but one organization as TCS, as Wipro, okay, as HSBC, or as CSC. So many organizations are there. Okay, so many organizations are there like um, Sun Microsystem. So now we are discussing about Sun Microsystem because initially Java came from the Sun Microsystem. That's what we are explaining about Sun Microsystem. Okay, so Sun logo, if you are observed in the Google, any level, it is comes under what? Sun, from top to bottom, from right to left, or left to right, and any angle. You can, if you see that, so it is coming like Sun logo, right? Sun logo Sun logo introduced by Wagon Fraud. Is the one of the professor in the Sun Microsystem. Okay, so this is like a Sun logo. Right. So from the Sun Microsystem, there is no Java directly, guys. Okay. From the Sun Microsystem, we have one technology. We have the one technology, that technology name called Vogue technology. That Vogue technology is not a programming language. That Vogue technology is not a programming language. It was introduced. Okay, let me tell you what is the Vogue technology. What is the significance of that Vogue technology? I will tell you. So basically, Vogue technology was introduced in 1991. Okay, Vogue technology is not a programming language. It is not a programming language. It is not a programming language. So what is mean by Vogue? It is a technology. Okay, it is a technology. Okay, so what is the purpose of this Vogue technology? It is used for to develop electronic consumer devices. Okay, the electronic consumer devices. So what is the electronic consumer devices you are developing by using Vogue? Simple. Let's say one example. TVs and VCR. Okay, so by using TVs, by using Vogue technology, we can able to develop TVs and VCRs as well. Okay, but in 1991, so many programming languages are there in the world. Okay, those are the programming languages. Let me tell you that programming languages. What are the programming languages we have? C, C++, Pascal, COBOL, Fortran, Basic, and etc. something. Okay, so many programming languages are there in 1991. So that is, C is a structure-oriented programming language. C++ is a object-oriented programming language. Pascal is a structure oriented as a C. Okay, and COBOL stands for common. C stands for common, and O stands for object. B stands for business. O stands for oriented. L stands for language. Okay, COBOL. 1 minute, guys. This is what. Okay. Okay. COBOL stands for Common Object Business Oriented Language. That is a business oriented language. Fortran stands for FOR stands for formula. Trans stands for translation. Okay. Basic. Beginners. B stands for beginners. All symbolic identifications and constants. So this is the abbreviation for what? Basic. Okay, so many programming languages are there prior to Java. Okay, now, right. Let me clear all those things. Okay, right. Oh, let me put that. So there is a so many programming languages are there prior to Java. So but these are all these are not object oriented programming languages, and these are platform dependent programming languages. Okay, let me tell one by one. Okay, we are going to discuss about drawbacks. What are the drawbacks here? Might be whoever might be some programming language background. If you have, see, drawbacks. Drawbacks. Okay, number one is these are what? Platform dependent programming languages. So what is meant by platform? First of all, you need to understand platform means what? OS. OS stands for, okay, OS stands for what? Operating system. That is, platform is not like just like a layman point of view. Don't think like that, like railway platform or something. Don't think like that. So platform is nothing but a operating system. So that is all or platform dependent programming languages. Whatever you have the programming languages, these are all platform dependent programming languages. Okay, now, so that means what is that exactly? What is mean by platform dependent? What is the problem with that? So let me tell you that. So here, platform dependent means, so how many operating systems are there, guys? Operating systems, you know, operating systems.
Mac, Windows.
Yeah, you can type here, don't talk. Okay, okay, yes. Okay, yes, exactly. These are what? Platforms. Okay, right. So um, Windows is operating system, Unix is an operating system, Linux is an operating system, Mac is an operating system, DOS is also operating system. Okay, so so these are all what platforms, right? So now these platforms, if you develop one application in any language, so you can, if you develop the one application in one platform, one platform, you can have to execute same platform. Okay, same platform you have to execute that application, right? That means platform dependent. It means you won't be able to execute other operating system. That's what these are all what platform dependent programming languages. Once you develop the application in Linux operating system, you have to execute the same operating system. If you are developing the application, maybe some Windows operating system, you have to execute the same application in the Windows operating system. That means these are what platform dependent programming languages. Okay, na? Right. So few more, there is a few more drawbacks on that. So these are what developing single type of application, that is standalone standalone application. Okay, what is meant by standalone application? Standalone application is nothing but desktop applications. Standalone application is nothing but what? Desktop applications. That is like a client itself a server. Such applications is nothing but what? Standalone applications. We can't develop the multiple applications by using um, these programming languages like C, C++. Okay, so uh, these are what platform platform dependent programming languages. That is, once you develop the application in one operating system, you have to execute the same application in the same environment. Okay, that is what platform dependent programming languages. Okay, next one, here there is no security, no security no security here. Okay, so many drawbacks are there, here. So to overcome these problems, Sun Microsystem people introduced a new programming language, is nothing but Java. Guys, there is a lot of drawback, background is there. Okay, let me tell you that. Okay, right. Sun Microsystem people introduced a new programming language called Java. Okay, na? Right. Guys, any doubts so far? Please let me know. I will tell you. I will give the clarity on that. Right. So here, Java also have the some abbreviation, guys. That is, J stands for just, A stands for another, V stands for virtual, again A stands for analyzer. This is what abbreviation for what is Java, just another virtual analyzer. So what is meant by Java? Here, this is the right time to explain, to explore Java. Okay, right. If you Google it, then you can identify that. Okay, abbreviation of what Java, just another virtual analyzer. So basically Java able to, like, what are the drawbacks shared, we can able to overcome these drawbacks by using Java. Okay, what is the importance of the Java? What is the significance of the Java? Why the Java is required in the world? Okay, I will tell you point by point. Okay, so Java, right? This is the right time, guys. So what you know that, so you can, yeah, standalone application is nothing but what? Desktop application, client itself, server. That is, it won't be shareable across the network. Okay, am I right? Yeah, right. So why was selecting the Java? So what is the importance of the Java? We need to understand it before that. Okay, guys, some people might be under, some people might be, if you heard about the Java, they're shaking or some shivering. Why that kind of feeling is coming? I'm not sure on that. Java is very easier, but the people make it as a complicated. Did you see that Java logo? Like, if you have the time, you can see that there is a cup of coffee. When you are taking the cup of coffee, when you are required, relax. Then only you taking what cup of coffee. Am I right? Yes or no? Guys, you can interact. Okay. So there is a cup of coffee. So that is just, you can give the some relaxation, some mind refreshment. But inside the cup, there is like a tea or coffee. Might be there is so heat, right? That heat is nothing but API. That is, Java have a lot of API, lot of API. So here it will be maybe compared to other programming languages, it might be some huge concepts are there, but in that, maybe some people are thinking, some people are calling like Java is evergreen. Yes, exactly, because I know many people in the US, my old students, they are saying, sir, if you, even this time, even if you know the Java, you have the jobs in US. Okay, recently my old students, like, she got one, see her name, some Sravanti, she got offer recently, so that background check is going, right? Because why I'm saying Java is evergreen here, Java is a ocean. Yes, why you require that much API? Whatever you require nowadays, you can take it, you can work with that current whatever required. I think you are following, right? So because Java is the evergreen, guys. Okay, if you know the Java, so might be some people are thinking like Java is the complicated, Java is the version. So it is broad API. Yes, I agree. But if any, maybe if 10th class student might be sitting in my classroom, I can able to learn, I can able to give the knowledge to the Java, and you can able to teach to others. I will give that much challenge because Java is the very easy. Okay, right. Let me tell you, Java, J stands for just A stands for another, B stands for virtual, again A stands for analyzer. Okay, this is for abbreviation for what Java. Next one, what are the features? Compare, let me compare C and C++ with Java. Okay, all programming languages here, so many programming languages are there. All these programming languages are able to develop only standalone application. Am I right? So here also we can able to develop like a standalone application. And here, not only for the standalone application, we can able to develop web application. You can also able to develop distributed application. You can also able to develop uh, enterprise applications, and you can also able to develop, every day we are watching, right? Okay, mobile based applications. So many applications you can able to develop by using the Java. Okay, these many applications you can able to develop Java. But here you have the many technologies, but these are all able to develop what only single type of application, that is nothing but what to stand out. Is there any do you have the comparison with that? Yes. Here so many programming languages are there, but those programming languages are able to develop only single type of application, that is what standalone application. But in Java, but only one programming language, but it can be able to develop what many programming language, many applications, guys, many applications. Okay, guys, do you have any queries? Okay. Yeah. Some people might be asking like prerequisites to Java learning. Okay. C, simple. If you know the C, that's fine. C++ is not at all mandatory. If you know that, that is very well. But if you don't have, then you can ignore it. No problem. We can cover C++ concepts also in Java. If you want to learn Java, the prerequisite is what to C. Even because some syntax you can check it out, like if and else you can use Java, and switch you are using in Java, arrays you are using in Java, functions you are using in Java. Am I right? So that's why you can able to learn Java once you might be you have the like the syntactically in C knowledge, not that much. Okay, but if you know like some syntactically, then you can able to learn Java, guys. If you don't have that C language knowledge, better to go for like you can learn with just 1 week is enough. Yeah. Okay, version. Which version you are asking? Java version, Vijay Kumar. Okay, I will tell you guys later. Wait for some time. Okay, now prerequisite is the Java C. If you don't know the C++, fine, I will help you. Okay, in the Java we can cover all those stuff. Okay, guys. Right. So in the application level, we can able to develop standard application, web application, distributed application, enterprise application, and mobile applications. How many applications we can able to develop here by using Java? More than one, right? But you have only single language. Okay. Next one. Next one. Java is what? Java is platform. Java is platform independent. Platform independent. Platform independent means what? Operating system independent. That is, once you develop the Java application in any operating system, you can able to execute the same application other operating system. That's why Java is what? Java is what? Platform independent but not dependent. It is not specific to any operating system. It is not specific to anything here. That's what platform independent. And the security point of view, it provides high security. It provides what? High security. It provides what? High security than other programming languages. Okay, right. Next one. It is in the memory management level. Just I'm going to introduce few features, guys. Okay, in the memory management level also, it can be work very well. Memory management and exception handling. Also, it can be able to handle all the exceptions, whether it is compile time or runtime exceptions. Okay, na? Right, guys. So many um, features are there, right? So Java is a like object-oriented programming language. Java is what? Object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language. Okay, so many features are there in Java. Okay, right. Anyway, we are going to discuss in the coming going forward. Okay, na? Just I'm removing this role. Okay, these are not required for now. Okay, guys. So based on this application development, okay, let me introduce one more point here. Java introduced in which year? In 1995. In 1995. Okay, na? Right. So based on this application development, Java can be categorized into the some modules. For your understanding, okay, some modules can be categorized. Okay, that is number one, J2SC module. J2SC module. Number two, J2EE module. J2EE module. Number three, J2ME module. So these are the modules are there. But according to Sun Microsystem people, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java separately. Okay, according to Sun Microsystem people, there is no separate core Java, there is no separate advanced Java like that. Okay, but those are categorized by from Amirpet and SR Nagar people in Hyderabad. Okay, as per the Sun Microsystem people, they know only J2SC, J2EE and J2ME module. So based on this application development only, Java can be categorized into what? Modules. J2SC module, it can be able to develop only standalone application. Okay, right. Let me tell you. Okay, J2SC module, we can able to develop only standalone application. And J2ME module, J2EE module, they can develop standalone application, they can develop the web application, they can develop the distributed application, they can develop the enterprise applications. These four applications we are going to develop in J2EE. In J2ME, we are going to develop what? Mobile based applications. This is what Java modules. Based on the application development, Java can be categorized into what? Modules, guys. Okay, na? But if you are observed, every module name in between, there is a 2-digit, right? There is a 2-digit. What is meant by 2? Because there is a lot of history we have, but the people make it as a mystery for that. Okay, na? Right. So what is exactly 2-digit? Why the Sun Microsystem people blindly introduce 2-digit? There is a history here. Okay, let me tell you. Java, right? These are all the applications. How we are going to develop? How you are going to develop? These are all the applications by using Java, right? So here Instead of TO2, they're adding what? Two digit Java to standalone application, Java to web applications, Java to distributed application, Java to enterprise application, Java to mobile applications. That's why the Sun Microsystem people introduced what? Two digit in between the module names, because this module or this software is belongs to what? Sun Microsystem people, right? So they have the um, rights to introduce any name because their own product. No one asked that one, but there is a worldwide programmers association is there. That is the consortium. That is just there, each and everything they are checking here. Programmers association is there, though those people are not agreed what the Sun Microsystem people suggested. Okay, why you are adding in between the modules like a two digit? No, we are not agreed. This two digit you have to remove that. But their own product, who is asking that? There is a right, yes or no? But Sun Microsystem people, they're receiving lot of mails and a lot of comments on that two digit, so they won't be there in a position. Okay, that's why from 2006 onwards, each and every module was renamed. JTSC renamed as what? Java SC from 2006 onwards, or else you can call as JSC as well. Okay, so J2EE also renamed as what? Java EE. Java EE. That is like JEE also. JEE also. So here this J2ME module also renamed as Java ME or JME. Okay, now guys, from 2006 onwards. Guys, any doubt so far? There is no core Java, there is no advanced Java as per the Sun Microsystem people. I will tell you that history as well. Any doubt so far, guys? Right. Okay, I will tell you that. I will tell you that the difference as well. Okay. JTSC. JTSC stands for what? Let me tell you point module by module. JTSC stands for, okay, Java to standard, Java to standard edition, Java to standard edition. It is a base module. This is what base module for rest of two modules. Rest of what? Two modules. Rest of two modules. It is a base module for rest of two modules. Next one. It is a installable software. It is a installable software. It is a installable software. It is available in the form of what? It is available. It is installable software, and it is available. It is available as what? It is available as what? J2SDK. J2SDK. That is J stands for what? Java. 2 standard. S stands for standard. D stands for development. K stands for what? Kit. That is 1.4 version. Okay, and from 1.5 version onwards, so far 1.5 version onwards, Java software is available on what? Java software is available as what? JDK 1.5 comma 1.6. okay, like that here. So nowadays everyone using 1.8 version. This is very good version, excellent version. Okay na? Right. Why? Because so many features are there in JDK 1.8. Okay, we will cover those things as well going forward. Okay now, right guys. Next one. It can be able to develop. What kind of application can be able to develop? As we discussed, that is what? Standalone applications. It can be able to develop what? Standalone applications. In real-time point of view, two-tier architecture, three-tier architecture, entire architecture applications are there. Okay, see here, we can able to develop two-tier architecture related applications. Two-tier architecture related applications. Okay, that is what? Client and server applications. Okay, next one. As per our famous terminology. What is that? Here only code Java. Okay, this is all about it. What? J2SE module. Okay, we will discuss about these rest of the two modules also, guys, in the next session. Okay, if you have any queries, this is your time. So if you have any queries, please let me know. I will help you on that. You can type here. Okay, Manivarma, how much time it will take to complete Java? Like 45 days, guys. Here it includes project. So if you want to do the project, you need to know that advanced Java as well. Yes, I can give that. Guys, I'm give the one good opportunity for you. Every Saturday, there is a special class is going on, that is core Java programs, like 50 plus core Java programs, like special programs, like reverse number, Fibonacci series, Armstrong, strong number, binary search, linear search, heap sort, selection sort. These are all going to introduce on weekend batch, like in the Saturday. Okay, guys, I'm back. Guys, my voice is audible? Okay, right. So, oh, yeah. Okay, guys. So here we are completing like 45 hours session. Once you complete this 45 hour session, you can able to gain 3 to 4 years of experience, because I'm giving that kind of level Java training. Please believe me that. Okay. And Saturday special class like programs and interview questions I'm going to introduce, guys. That is a very special classes. Okay. So many students are got the offers. Okay. So please join on Saturdays also. Don't take like weekend, something like that. Okay, my team will update on the timings, guys. Okay, might be this will take 2 to 3 hours session on special Saturday. Okay, uh, in the in the interview room, you won't be trouble on core Java. If you are maybe joined some other technologies also like advanced Java and thing, okay, I can help you. Okay, but here in the interview point of view, you never troubled. I'm giving that much promise. Okay, so even whatever you have the queries, please reach out to my online IT Vidhya team. So they are effectively working 24 by 7. If you have any queries, like you can take this number, you can WhatsApp to my online IT Vidhya team. They can help you on that whatever you require. Just guys, today we are just explained about what, just the history, just the history. Okay, don't bother about it. I will help you each and every concept. I think you already received that, maybe what we are going to discuss. Okay, anyway, I will repeat that concepts also in the next session, guys. So just it is history only. Once you enter into the topic, might be you can increase your confident level. I am giving that much promise to you guys. Okay, class time is same 8 to 9, same time will continue. Deva, anyone, any queries? Daily you have the class, 1 hour session every day. Okay, we have the 44-hour session every day, right? So in weekends might be you can take 2 to 3 hours session, as that is special class. Okay, you can might be you got the confident level. I am giving, see guys, I'm giving one challenge. You can take banana, I can open it, I can insert into your mouth. Eating, that's your duty, it's not my duty. I'm giving that much level of training, please believe me that. Okay, so might be we can complete like 1 or 2 class, maybe on 3 or 4 classes, or maybe on like 1 week class. You can check your confident level. Even though you are non-CSC background, maybe you are belongs to, I'm not sure if you are belongs mechanical, maybe triple E or maybe CS as ECE. I don't bother about it. I will give that much level of Java training. You can able to teach in outside also, that kind of level, because I'm the certified OCJP certified. Okay, don't bother about it the subject, but you have to do one thing, you have to join every day. See, I'm giving one more thing here. If you are missing at least one class, the connectivity will be go down. Okay, right? That's what you can join, you can come to regularly. Yes, we are helping resume preparation also, Vijay Kumar. Okay, every day I'm writing the topics on the fly. I'm going to writing the programs at the same time. We are circulating to all of you, same notes, same programs, and also video recording also. We are like sorry, recording sessions also might be you can get it, not video, sorry, audio recording might be you can get it. Yeah, okay, na? Okay, sure, I will help you, Pravalika. Okay, any doubt, guys? So this is just demo only. Demo, just we are discussing about what history. So that history no one asks you in the interview room. Okay, na? But the concept, tomorrow onwards I'm going to introduce that concept. You can join that. Okay, please refer your friends. Okay, maybe once the concept is started, you won't be stop it anywhere. Okay, once you miss the concept, might be you are lose something. Okay, because concept to concept there is an interlink. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, guys, any queries before wind up the session? If you are okay, okay, we'll see tomorrow. Okay, guys, tomorrow we are going to introduce our course curriculum or exact concepts what we are going to introduce. Okay, right, guys. Thank you, one and all. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Yeah.